ओम गणेशाय नमः। ओम हयग्रीवाय नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। My greetings to everybody. Today, one important concept for individual, for group, for organization, for society, at every level, at every stage, for every person, the most complicated and troublesome issue is conflict. Conflict is a common denominator because of different reasons, various reasons among all human beings, including animals. I was telling, if one's dog meets another dog, there will be a conflict in the sense each will growl and bite and do all kinds of things. Like that, many animals. The question of human beings is much more because of the competition, main, because of jealousy, because of ego and greed and desire, many other things. Conflict is a common denominator in all walks of life. Conflict means, in Telugu, Sangharshana. The conflict may be from individual to individual, individual versus individual, individual versus group, group versus group, organization versus organization, society versus society, nation versus nation. So at each and every level, conflict will be there. However, there is one more dimension of this conflict is intrapersonal, interpersonal, intra-group, intergroup, intra-organization, inter-organization. This is within and without, in other words. This is due to difference of opinions, ideas. What I think right may not be accepted by others. What others think may not be accepted by me. So it may be ideas and concepts, it may be functions, it may be activities, it may be situations that create conflict among the individuals, groups, etc. But conflict is very dirtiest thing in the human minds. Because of conflict, there have been battles, there have been wars, there have been fightings, there have been many other unwanted problems that have been confronted in the societies at different levels. Take, for example, the first organization, basic organization, and fundamental or rudimentary organization is family. In a family, let us think, there may be a father and mother, there may be son and daughter-in-law, there may be children. But even at third year or fourth year or fifth year, within 10 years, children will fight for the sake of pencil, for the sake of eraser, for the sake of something. They start complaining to the parents. So conflict is a very natural and fundamental thing. This is due to the mind of an individual doesn't accept other minds. As a result, conflict at every level, and as a result, many damages for the self and other selves, for the work and properties, for health and wealth, for bad relationships, like many other unnecessary issues that will disturb the societies. But conflict management is very tough job. One important thing is conflict is, we were telling, due to competition also. But conflict and competition may contribute sometimes certain good things because of conflict. Everyone wants to grow taller than the other person. So that conflict will lead to some creativity, some excellence, efficiency, effectiveness, because I want to show that I am a better worker, better manager, better person, better teacher than others. That way, conflict may contribute something. But whenever there is a conflict, the conflict will not leave the people as they are. There will be a problem. Every human being will be worried about the conflict, because how to win over the other person. When there is a conflict between individual to individual and the individual to group and group to group, like that, suppose, there are many methods of resolving the conflict. We used to tell, in fact, there is no problem in the world, because every problem has a solution. When there is a solution for every problem, how can you say that there is a problem? Similarly, the conflict can be resolved. It can be, there are many ways to resolve the conflicts. One method is avoidance. You avoid the conflict. You be away to the possible extent. Evasion. Avoidance is within the frame. Evasion, little. You evade, you escape. You will not speak. You will not react. That way you can avoid the conflict. Or there can be surrender. There is a conflict between two persons, for example. One fellow will say, I am sorry, I have done something wrong, you are right, so tell me, excuse me, so what is that I have to do? Please leave me, don't disturb me. I know that I am a fool. So, like that. Why should we unnecessarily pick up quarrel and fight and face all sorts of consequences in future? So that way the problem is resolved by surrendering. So among the two parties, one fellow will surrender, the other fellow will enjoy his ego, that I won. That fellow has surrendered. You see, he is afraid of me. ఇక్కడ అనుకుంటున్నాడు నన్ను సామాన్యుడని, బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ మై మెటల్, ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ మై కెపాసిటీ. Like that he will think. Even in family, for example, between wife and husband, normally wives will surrender to husbands, because why should unnecessarily pick up quarrel? I used to tell the truth. Not at one place, many times I used to tell. Every husband pretends that he is loving the children for the sake of wife. Whereas, I am repeating rather, every husband will be pretending that he is loving the children for the sake of wife. Whereas, every wife will pretend that she is loving husband for the sake of children. So wife is fond of children, husband is fond of wife. Simple logic. Normally, many cases, except some turbulent women, most of the wives surrender to husbands. Why should we unnecessarily pick up quarrel? Even they scold, even they say something, they will accept, they will obey, they will follow them. This is especially in Indian societies. That's our culture. Masculine power is shown. Once upon a time, these were matriarchal families. Then the men surrendered to women. You read Volga Se Ganga of Rahul Sankurachayan, who was a master of 36 languages. As a matter of fact, he is in Andhra, the Orissa border. He has written books, many books, masterpieces by taking the historical and other scriptures and what we call sasanalu, the carvings and other things, edits, taking those things, he has developed some kind of theories and substance. Many books have been written by him. A great man. Here, what I would like to tell you, the wife will, the matriarchal to patriarchal families, Volga said to Ganga, it took 6,000 years. The civilization that has started at Volga to Ganges, we can see very interesting, we can make many observations. So here what I am telling, sometime back when matriarchal families, men surrendered to women, women surrendered to men. Today, change. It is a shortage of number. It is a problem of biological problems. Women always depend on men because they have to bear the children. Even some 20, 30 years back, every woman used to beget some 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to 20 children. So almost all she is dependent on the husband and others. Because of her pregnancy, because of the problems, because of the rearing the children, because of the feeding the children, number of problems. And again working at home for family, cooking and other activities. They suffer like anything. And their surrender has gone to that extent, what I am talking about. It may be called concord, or the opposite of conflict to concord. Or we can say conflict or cooperation. Women have surrendered to the husbands to that extent wherein when the husbands die, they enter into the fire. They used to enter into the fire. Sati Sahagamanam. హస్బెండ్ చనిపోయినాడు, హస్బెండ్తో కూడా పిల్లల్ని కూడా నిప్పుల్లో దోషించేవాడు. Cruelty was at its height. Pinnacle of cruelty. Unbearable even to hear. If husband dies, wife has to die. Has there been any in the entire history one husband entered into the fire for the sake of wife? No, not at all. It is only the wives. Why? Why should it be? So when we talk about the conflicts, We have to understand many dimensions of conflict. Surrender. Because to resolve, otherwise there is no question of marriage, there is no question of family, there is no question of children, and there is no progeny, and there is no continuity, perpetuation, human life. For the sake of that, that is, another thing is surrender. So one more way of resolving the conflict is compromise. You take 50%, I will take 50%. You take 40%, I will take 60%. Like that we compromise in many cases. So the compromise is one method of resolving the conflict. And that equal to compromise, there is an accommodation. It is all right. Okay. You take, or I will take. Let us forget. Like that there is one way. This is all degrees of difference. Nothing but win-win, win-lose, lose-lose, lose-win. We know. From win-win to situation to lose, both win, both. One win, another will lose, another lose, another win. So like that, this is in collaboration. The accommodation and collaboration is both let us all right. All right, there is I will give an example to you. Suppose there is a conflict between the unions and management in an organization. There are many demands. We want a cycle stand. We want less of working hours. We want some buses to be for transportation of the workers. And like that, many things. And midday meal, lunch, free lunch, or concessions, subsidies, like that. Along with that, there will be they will ask some hike, increase, bonus, or whatever the case may be. They ask 10%. Management will say we will give only 3% because the company is running in losses. We can't manage. Tomorrow at one time, suppose we undertake the lockdown, you will lose all the jobs. You will lose the jobs. So, don't do. So they will say, all right, 8% or 9%. These people will go to 3%, 8%, 7%, somewhere 6%, 4%. You can compromise. Some kind of. What the management will say, all right, we will give 6% to you or 5% to you. But you have to work half an hour more. Or your productivity must be increased by another 5% or 10%. Collaborate. తీసుకో నువ్వు ఇంకో 5% 10% కూడా ఇస్తాను నీకు. బట్ దానికి ఈక్వల్గా నాకు వర్క్ చేయి, నాకు ప్రొడక్టివిటీ పెంచు, ప్రొడక్షన్ పెంచు. So let me not lose. Win-win situations. So like that, conflicts can be resolved. But the most important thing for the conflicts is two dimensions. One is understanding, another is misunderstanding. When the misunderstanding continues, there is no question of conflict resolution. You can never resolve the conflict, whatever you do, if there is a misunderstanding and the misunderstanding is continued. So there must be someone who will mediate and do something and compromise, do some measure, do something and resolve the conflict. This is very common. I tell you some small story. There are many stories on conflict. On human beings, there are stories. On the vegetables, there are stories. On the trees, there are stories. So many stories are there on conflicts. On conflict. There was I will tell you a story on the life of the tree. There was a mango tree which had many branches and with luscious fruits and other things there. It was very well. One day there was some groaning or something like that. There was a sound from the roots, the main root. Taliveru, the mother root in the sense. My life has been like this. The destiny has destined like this. I am totally in the darkness. Whereas you people, the stem you see, the branches you see, the leaves you see, the fruits are seen, you see the entire sign and you enjoy the spells of the rain. Night you will be cool. Daytime you will bring some energy. Like that it started complaining. The roots. By hearing that, immediately the stem has raised its objection. Stop, please. Don't talk too much. You are very comfortable and you are protected by the mud, by the earth. And you are getting the energy, the minerals and metals and water you are drawing. It complained that I am drawing, if water is not available at particular level, I have to penetrate into the bowels of the earth and get the water, and I have to take a lot of strain, and it was like that, it was complaining. The same complaint has been reversed. So you are enjoying, you are cool, there is no problem, whereas the stem has started. You know, my situation, the entire burden I have to bear, the branches, fruits, leaves and other things. And it will be, when there is a wind, my body will be twisted, my backbone will be twisted. I suffer a lot, and people will bring the bundles, wood, and keep it, they scratch, and some people for the sake of medicine, they cut my body, like that. How much of sufferance I am undergoing, you can never imagine. The trunk started complaining. You see, the branches are very comfortable, the leaves are comfortable, the fruits are comfortable. Immediately branches said, because we have to carry the weight of the leaves and fruits and other things, and we have to twist. So whenever there is a wind, gale, we have to move along with it. So we also get twisted and we suffer a lot. Whereas this is the way in which it started. Then by hearing the leaves, you talk about us. Because of us, I will give a shade against the sun and against the rain. వర్షానికి ఎండకు అన్నిటికీ మేము గొడుగులాగా మీకు పెట్టి వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ లైక్ అన్ అంబరెల్లా అండ్ వీఆర్ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ యూ ఆల్. మీరు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నారు, ఎండంతా మాది, వేడంతా మాది. నేను పడే బాధలు ఎక్కడున్నాయి? మీరేం జీవితాంతం జరిగిపోతారు, పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటారు మీరు. యూ గ్రో, వేరేజ్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ సీజనల్. So we start with small life and finally we are ripened and in the season we get dropped into the down, and they will rather ఎవరు ఏముంది మేము కొంతకాలం పచ్చంగా ఉంటాం, తర్వాత పండిపోతాం, పండిపోయి కింద పడిపోతాం, కింద పడ్డ ఆకులన్నీ చిమ్మేసుకుంటారు, అవి తీసుకుపోయి పొయ్యిలో పోస్తారు, వేడి నీళ్ళు కాచుకోవాలనుకుంటారు. సారీ. సో they so our life is just 1 year life, seasonal. వసంతకాలంలో చిగురిస్తాం, వర్షాకాలం దాటంగానే రాలిపోతాం. దట్ ఈజ్ మై లైఫ్, అవర్ లైఫ్. మాకేముంది, పండ్లు హాయిగా అవి ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాయి. దెన్ స్టార్టెడ్ ద ఫ్రూట్స్ స్టార్టెడ్. సో యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. Because of you, the tree has come. And we will be sold in the market if we produce some taste in the fruits. Otherwise, nobody will buy those fruits which are not tasty. And the people, they try to cut it, they try to bite it, do all kinds of things, and they throw us. And again we have to give birth to saplings. Again we have to grow, we have to keep the thing. It is our contribution. Because of you, you are all here. Started. So whether fruits are important, leaves are important, or stem important, or branches are important, or the roots are important, which is important? Everybody has a complaint, everybody blames other, everybody fights with the rest. There is a conflict of opinion. Because of the roots, the tree is has grown. Because of stem, it protects. Because of the branches, it is surviving. Because of the leaves, it produces the flowers and then fruits. So all put together can come and understanding. Then there will be some kind of situation wherein the misunderstanding is erased. But because of the misunderstanding, there will always be conflict among the individuals, people, and everywhere there will be conflict. Even among the things, I will read some important thing. Iron is strong, for example, but it can be melted by fire. ఇనుము గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ దాన్ని కరిగించేస్తుంది ఏంది? అగ్ని, నిప్పు, ఫైర్. ఫైర్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, బట్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్టింగ్విష్డ్ బై వాటర్. వాటర్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, బట్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఎవాపరేటెడ్ బై ఎయిర్. గాలి ఆవిరి చేసేస్తుంది. ఎయిర్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, బట్ finally, so I have missed some point. Like that, everyone is working against the other. నిప్పుంటే నీళ్లు పోస్తే పోతుంది, నీళ్లు ఆవిరైపోతాయి, నిప్పు తగలబెట్టేస్తుంది. అట్లా ప్రతి చోట ఈ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ అనేది, బట్ ఫర్ ద కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ ద సొసైటీ విల్ నాట్ మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. విత్తనం, we sow the seed will break the ground and then it will come out and it will yield. So how much of fighting that is undertaken, there is a conflict. So conflict is very interesting concept at the human level, human kingdom, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, anywhere, everywhere, the conflict will be there, and the conflict will contribute both positively and negatively. But anyway, when it comes to human beings, they have to resolve the conflicts with different methods depending on the situation. But finally, the fundamental why we talk about the entire conflict for so much of time, every conflict has to be resolved with single motive, single motto, that is maximum good to maximum number. ఒక కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే, ఒక సంఘర్షణను మనం పరిష్కరిస్తే, దానివల్ల ఏ ఒక్కడో బాగుపడి మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా నాశనం అయిపోయేదానికి కాదు. మ్యాక్సిమం గుడ్ టు మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్ 10 మందికి ఉపయోగపడాలి మనం చేసే పరిష్కారం వల్ల. అందువల్ల సంఘర్షణ ఎక్కడైనా సంఘర్షణ లేకుండా ఈ ప్రపంచం ఉండదు. ఇంపాసిబుల్ వితౌట్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్. బట్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ ఈస్ టు బి రిజాల్వ్డ్, బట్ ద రెజల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ మస్ట్ ఈల్డ్ మ్యాక్సిమం గుడ్ టు మ్యాక్సిమం నెంబర్. సర్వే జనా సుఖినో భవంతు, అందరూ బాగుండాలి. దానికి తగిన విధంగా వచ్చిన కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్లు మనం సరిదిద్దుకుంటూ, సర్దుబాటు చేసుకుంటూ ఈ సొసైటీని ముందుకు తీసుకుపోవాలా అన్నది కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. అక్కడ వీలైనంతవరకు అవాయిడ్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ప్రివెన్షన్ ఈజ్ బెటర్ దాన్ క్యూర్. ఒకవేళ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే దాన్ని రిజాల్వ్ చేసేది ఎడ్ చేయాలంటే 10 మందికి పనికి వచ్చేటట్టు చేయాలి. సో విత్ దిస్ ఐ విల్ క్లోజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. గుడ్ లక్.